Cutting-edge precision just got a whole lot sharper. Meet the Valvetek laser cutting machine. Imagine slicing through metal like butter. With Valvetek, that's not just a dream, it's reality. This bad boy boasts unparalleled accuracy and speed, making it the go-to choice for engineers who settle for nothing less than perfection. Say goodbye to rough edges and hello to flawless finishes. Valvetek's advanced technology ensures each cut is precise and clean, reducing waste and saving you time. And let's not forget the user-friendly interface that gets you up and running in no time. Whether you're working on intricate designs or heavy-duty projects, the Valvetek laser cutting machine delivers consistent results every single time. Think about it: more efficiency, less downtime, and ultimate control. It's like having a laser-focused partner on your team. So if you're ready to elevate your engineering game, there's only one name you need to remember: Valvetek. Precision, power, perfection. Get yours today and start cutting smarter, not harder.